How to change Roblox keyboard controls. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can change your keyboard controls in Roblox. First of all, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. So go ahead and launch the Roblox application, or you can go to the website, select any game and start playing. Now once you're in the home page, select any game that you'd like to play and tap on the play button. Once the game loads, click on the Roblox icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on settings, which is beside the people option. Scroll down. Now in this settings section, here you can change your movement and camera modes. You can adjust the camera sensitivity to high or low. You can also go ahead and adjust the shift lock switch either on or off. You can adjust the camera mode to default, which is classic, camera toggle, follow, and you can also change your movement mode, either click to move, keyboard plus mouse, or default, which is keyboard. This will also let you enable the full screen mode as well, along with the graphics mode and graphics quality. And that's it. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.